Hi, I'm Emily from Current Body, and today I'm going to talk you through one of the range of products from Sensica. Sensica are a group of people who've come together having produced professional aesthetic solutions into salons for many years, and they've harnessed some of that technology for use at home. So one of their products is called the Sensimatch, which offers a solution for all different types of body care. So this is the Sensimatch device itself, and it comes with a couple of different pads that do different things. Plus you can purchase others to help you get more out of the device. I'm going to start with the gentle peel. So this one is for use on areas of the body that need exfoliating. So perhaps you might suffer with those little bumps that people get on the backs of their arms, or dry knees, for example. This is perfect for you. So it attaches to the device itself. It's got a little hexagon on the back, and you attach it on, and then it's got 2 speeds. But what's really clever about it is they have this adapt to you technology. So it's 2 things within the pad. Number one, it's made of malleable plastic material, but also it's got an air cushion underneath. So you'll see that if I press it down. So as you're using it, it bends to the contours of the body, so you can get those difficult to reach areas. So you've got 2 speeds. So you've got setting 1, which is for the more sensitive areas of the body, and you've got setting 2, which is for the larger areas, perhaps like the back of the thighs, for example. So then the other pad that you get with the device when you purchase it is the Pedicure course. So you can use this to slough away all those horrible hard bits of skin on your feet. So again, it attaches in the same way. Now, the feeling on the pad is much coarser than it is with a gentle peel, because obviously the skin on your body is softer and it doesn't need that coarseness that the hard skin on your feet does. So this one also works with 2 speeds. Again, level 1 for not so rough areas, and you can move up to level 2 for those really horrible, hard to reach bits. And then the final one is a massage pad. So that is a little bit softer, and it's got contours on, almost like 2 inverted commas, and that actually is designed for use absolutely anywhere on the body. So backs of the shoulders if you've got tight shoulders, the neck, anywhere you want to get an extra level of massage, and it also works on the 2 speeds. So that's the Sensica Sensimatch, available from us at Current Body, as are all the pads, and if you have any questions, just let us know.